Hi, this video indicates how to use wall art and relief. Now you can see line /7. Wall art and relief is one of the plugin software of line /7. In advance, save as new 3D file. At first, create a new project. Now you can see CAM panel. In the panel, create image model. Image model can hold multiple images and CAD models. Now I'm importing an image into the image model. While importing, you can set height as total height or height per one grade level. I set total height to 7. Now I'm showing vertices from the image into 3D space. I'm setting vertex show rate. Yellow color is not good. I'm changing layer color to blue. Okay, it's cool. Now you can see vertices. These vertices are from an example of a mode of wall. Next, define processing area. That's a simple rectangle. And then create a process node. You know, process means a tool path and NC data. In the process node, set to information. Now I'm trying to check the two informations in the tool DB. Select the tool. Next, I'm changing process node, feed rate, something pitches, and then set the rectangle layer. Finally, I set cutting times and cutting depth. It's ready for calculate. I'm trying to calculate for check. Done. You can see tool path in the 3D view. These pictures are sample analysis for the path. Next, create a primitive shape and add the shape as processing target. You can also import CAD data from the external CAD system as step, IGS, STL, and etc. After making a shape, back to CAM panel, select image node, and add a new entry for image processing. Change the entry type and choose a primitive shape layer. Change the entry name. It's finished. It's ready for calculate. You can see compound path, both image and primitive shape.